Hi, hello guys, just a few words what we need to have in every rag laundry, what we recommend to have actually to make a very efficient rag cleaning. What is necessary to have a set of brushes, hand brushes. This one is soft, this one is hard, so different kinds for different types of the rugs according to the needs. This one, and also a set of squeegees we recommend to have for the wool rugs, for synthetic, and the last one is the squeegee with the rinsing module, rinsing function. So the water going out, you connect it to the hose over here. Yes, just open the water and it gives us an opportunity to use it already with the rinsing or watering. You can wet the carpet before cleaning in the middle of the process, and you can also provide rinsing with the rinsing and squeeging at the end of the process. And also a manual brush to remain and to work with the stains. So it is necessary to have something like this for convenient work. And especially it is important if you're doing the cleaning with the scrubbers. You can have every scrubber goes with two kind of brushes by default, a soft one and a hard one. Here the customer decided to have two kinds of the scrubbers already, with one soft and one hard. So it's up to you, but it's also very important. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.